All right, welcome back to another trade recap. Today I took one trade. I made around $700 on the S&P 500. And before I forget, let me just show you guys my execution so I can get that out of the way and not forget it. There they are. So I took a long today on ES. And I kind of want to just run you guys through like what I was thinking and kind of just go through price from the start. So let me go into replay mode and let's get to 7:30, market open. Okay. So coming into the morning, I have an extreme bullish bias, right? Because we just ran through this 4 hour. This week, we just took sell side and we have a bullish S&T that we also put in. So I want to see all-time highs be the draw. So coming into market open, I have an extreme bullish bias. Okay. Yeah. And also looking back at the 4 hour, we're respecting this 4 hour order block, right? So this is also giving me more indication that we are bullish, right? We're respecting this 4 hour down close candle. And when we come down to the lower time frame, right, we point out on the 15-minute that we have this 15-minute bearish for value gap. And we also just took sell side to the left of us. So we have our internal manipulation on the 15-minute. And then we also have this 15-minute change. So coming into market open, like before, during pre-market, what I wanted to see and what I actually literally said in my journal is I said I wanted to see price rebalance to this 15-minute for value gap and this change in the state, hold bullish, have some sort of manipulation leg, and then move higher, right? Towards internal buy side and then eventually all-time highs, right? So scrolling down on the 5-minute, let's just run through price here. So at market open, let me get here on NQ actually, right around here. Okay, so right here we have London lows. Okay, right here we have London lows. Now if you look at ES when market opens, just run through price here. Okay, NQ ends up dumping all the way down and taking out London low. ES is not. So we put in a bullish SMT with London lows. Just get back with my price here. Okay. So we end up putting in a bullish SMT with London lows. So this is indicating more bullish confirmation for me, right? Keep in mind, we're also holding the 15-minute fair value gap bullish, and we tap back into the 15-minute change in the state. So we're holding bullish order flow. So I want to see this internal buy side be the draw, right? That's what I want to see. I mark out this change in the state. And as soon as ES gets above this change in the state, I enter long right here. I put my stop at this SMT protected low and I target buy side. And what do? We pump straight up towards the draw. So that was all in all my trade today. Made around $350 across two accounts, so 700. Made around $700 on my accounts today. So that was my trade today. And if we look back at market now, we actually did end up going all the way back to all-time highs. So realistically, I didn't do it. I didn't really feel the need to do it. I just wanted to take what I was confident in. But realistically, you could have left a runner. Where was my trade at? Let's go here, right here. Realistically, you could have left the runner all the way to all-time highs, but I didn't feel the need to. I just wanted to take what I was confident in. So, but we did end up coming all the way back to all-time highs. So interested to see what happens tomorrow because we are all the way back at all-time highs. And if you can just see, as soon as we took all-time highs previously this month, we've just accumulated, and that's kind of what we can expect on the higher time frame, right? When we take the higher time frame draw, we're just going to accumulate for a couple days or even a week, right? So that's what you can expect from price. So we'll see what happens on Friday. Don't know if I'll be taking a trade tomorrow. Right now, it just doesn't look like it because there's really nothing to target to the long side unless we kind of flip bearish in the overnight session. But that was my trade today, up $700. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Really, tomorrow I have no bias. I just have a neutral bias going into tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap, and I will catch you guys in the next.